My mother would make what she called blood vessel stew. It's a bolognese, so we have our carrots, onion, celery that we puree in the food processor. Right. We have 2 pounds of ground beef and a pound of ground sausage.
Oh, it smells so good.
So, right, it's basically bolognese with ziti in it, but my friends would always be like, oh, is your mom making blood vessel stew? So it's just a lovely sort of thing from my childhood. So we have carrots, onion, celery, some garlic, and we brown that till we get crud. You know, we're really developing that beautiful flavor
caramelization.
Then we have lots of tomato paste. Dang. And we really brown this as well. Can you give me a big fat sprinky dink of salt in here?
Oh, I was reaching for the wine.
For the booze.
Where's the salt?
Big fat sprinkle of
me without salt, please.
Now the big fat wine. Yes, thanks. So we put the wine in, we let it reduce down by half, and then this is where, we add our aromatics. So we have
thyme and bay.
And then we start the dance of the bolognese. Add water and reduce. And add water and reduce.
That's the dance?
And, you know, you go back and forth, and it's so interesting to taste sort of the life cycle of the bolognese. The whole thing about blood vessel stew is my mom always served it in a hollowed out pumpkin.
Nice.
We have a cheese pumpkin here, so we have our cool little pumpkin sauce situation. So we just go around and we take this guy right off.
Yeah, we need one of those. We were using meat cleavers in our house the other day.
So then...
And then you scoop out all the guts-a-roo.
But all this stuff, look at this, that's all in this pumpkin. We take this and we dice it and we roast it. And we're gonna throw this right in the sauce and then toss in the blood vessels and finish it up and serve it in our pumpkin. Look at that, right? So there we go. We have a little parm, a little olive oil. We finish this up, and then we say, hello, blood vessel stew. There we go.
Take a drink.
There we go.
Woo!